Y'all ready to go build something today?
Yeah.
Yes, boy. Welcome back to another video. Got our 6x6s and our roof material here. Got a freshly decked pier. Gonna get our string line out, start standing up roof poles. Yes, boy. Appreciate you tuning in to another video. Let's get this roof up. Yes, boy. Yes, boy. Yesterday we got this roof ready for metal. Today we've got these Y braces going on. A lot of people ask us about our Y braces and what we do. Most people, they just put either 2x4 or 2x6 and they just nail it up there. We got these big beefy 4x6s, about 3 foot long on every boathouse that we do. We put them on there, we nail them real good, and we also go through and put some galvanized lag bolts, probably about 4.5 inch, 4 inch lag bolts in there. So them puppies aren't going anywhere, and it strengthens up that boathouse where it doesn't shift one way or the other with high winds and your boat being up there swinging around. A lot of people like our Y braces. Yes, boy. We're putting all these Y braces on there all the way around. We're also gonna add 4 more 6x6s in for the boat lift beams. I'll show you that here in a minute. Yes, boy, we're gonna get out here and get these Y braces nailed up so Corey can come around and bolt them up, and I'll show you what we got going on with them 6x6s. Yes, boy. Yes, boy. So you can see here we got these. This is a 16-foot span, and we got almost a 16-foot span over here. So these butt lift beams, whenever we get around 16-foot spans, we like to put an extra 6x6 in here, like we did here. You can see on the inside of the 4-foot walkway, we got an extra 6x6. It goes up, and we put 2 pier bolts up there. It's notched in. You can see there, we notched it. It goes up in there, and we put 2 big pier bolts in there. So we're gonna end up doing that there. We're gonna put 2 right here for the jet ski lift. Ish boy, here we are on a Monday morning. We got all our metal here. We got Silas pulling the plastic off our drip edge trim pieces, and got the guys up there ready to put them on. Once we get this trim done, we'll start putting sheets of metal up there. Ish boy, let's get this roof done today. Yes, boy. It's late in the evening, sun's going down, and we're getting down off this roof. Yes, boy, got all this metal done, got the ridges on. Time to get that them butt lifts installed. We'll be out of here. See you in the morning. Yes, boy. Yes, boy. Here we are on a rainy, gloomy day, but we're out here getting it done on this particular double jet ski lift. We're going to do 2 individual lifts with 2 individual cradles. We got 2 customers here. They share the same property, so if one wants to come out and lift their jet ski down, they won't interfere with the other partner's jet ski. So it's kind of cool. More hardware, 2 motors, 2 pipes, all that good stuff. But we 2 custom built cradles. We welded together, put the boards on there, carpeted, all that good stuff. You'll see a little bit more of that here in a minute. Then we're gonna have a barge slip over here with slings. So yes, boy, we're out here getting it done. We got this beautiful roof to keep us dry. Yes, boy, let's get it done. Yes, boy. Here we are. Getting late. Got Corey and Silas down here getting the handrail on these stairs we built for them this evening, put in the water. Got Ronnie out there with the customers settling up. They love the boathouse, love how it turned out, love those double jet ski deals, and we're proud of it too. Yes, boy. About to get this barge loaded up, getting the pile driver in a couple days. Finish up this handrail, put these tops on it. Jesse's back here cutting it. We're gonna get out of here. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Yes, boy.